Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Sophia, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you all how to prepare Jamaican delicious bammy. For all the Jamaicans, I know you are already familiar in how to do this delicious dish, and we all can talk about it. I remember growing up in Jamaica, I love bammy and fish. So what I have here, guys, is 3 bammies. Well, I took them out of the refrigerator and they have been sitting, they're thawing out. So here they are, guys. Beautiful bammy coming straight from the island of Jamaica. Yes, guys, and we just cannot wait to indulge. So it's up to you how many you want to use. If it's 1, if it's 2, it's not a big deal, or 3. So this really comes from the cassava, right? It's a ground produce like yams. And guys, what I'm gonna be doing is to soak it in my evaporated coconut milk. All right, you can choose to use the plain coconut milk. It's not a big deal, guys, but it's really delicious anyway. Or you can choose to use water. Okay, yes, you can use water as well, but the milk give it a nice flavor. And guys, I have here a container in which I'm going to be pouring the milk into, and I have my chopper, right? We're gonna cut our bammies, right, in the desired shape, to what we want. All right, it's up to you. You can cut it elongated, or you can cut it in pie shape like pizza. Not a big deal. All right, guys, so let's go into the cutting. And guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel. Please support me on this cooking journey. It is not easy, but I have faith that one day I will make it. All right, guys, so I just want to say thank you so much for all of your support. It means so much. And please continue to share my videos, and remember to click that notification bell so that you can get notified of every time I upload my videos, at least once every week, so you can look out for that video. I used to do it on a specific day, but because I was not really getting the support as what I expected, so I got a bit discouraged, and I said, okay, you know what, let me not just so I decided to just drop a video every week. And guys, please understand, it is not easy. It is really not easy. There's sometimes we're discouraged and stuff. Why am I saying all this? But yes, I decided to continue because I have faith as small as mustard seed, and when you have that, you can move mountains, as what Yahusha stated in the gospel. But anyways, let's go into cutting up these bammies. So guys, we're gonna wash off our cans, all right? Because when the can is in the store, guys, insects and stuff goes on these cans, believe it or not, and you don't want to put that into your food, so you want to rinse off your cans to get rid of the germs. All right, so now I'm gonna use my tin cutter just to open the can and just to pour this into the container, just like that. And now guys, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my bammy in my desired shape, and I'm gonna go with the pie looking shape. All right, and we just want to soak our bammy for at least 5 to 7 minutes, just like this. And I can honestly say my children, they love bammy so much. Trust me, we're gonna put it in just like that, guys, just to soak for at least 5 to 7 minutes. As I was stating, that you can cut it even this way. It's not a big deal. It's all you want your bammy. All right, so I see, just like so. And so we're gonna leave to soak for at least, as I've said, I will see you guys in the next 5 to 7 minutes. So guys, our bammy has been soaking for the time you know, which I had stated 5 to 7 minutes. And now it's time for us to move on to the next step. All right, so what you're gonna need here, guys, in this step is a plate and some paper towel, right, guys? So what I'm gonna do when I remove the Bammy from, you know, the milk, I'm gonna place it here on the paper towel so that the paper towel can absorb the excess milk from the Bammy. All right, before we start to fry, because you know what can happen when water and oil mix, right? Splashing, and we don't want that. We don't want that at all. We don't want to get burned. All right, so guys, I'm gonna put my Bammy here, you know, taking the ones from the bottom, and on the stove I had went ahead and already put my oil to get heated. Okay, if you watched the video to this far, please comment below how you like to have your Bammy. Is it by itself, or you like it, you know, with your fried fish? What way do you like your Bammies? So I'm just gonna flip onto the other side. Guys, while I'm here waiting for my oil to get heated, I'm gonna be sipping on a delicious chilled coconut. This is what I was talking about. You know, this here, when you break this, you take off, you know, the outer shell, which is so hard. It is called a husk. Then you're gonna cut it up in fine pieces, grate it, or you can blend it, make it much easier. In the Caribbean, that's what we do. And then afterward, you just, you know, pour onto that, you know, which is blended, some hot water to help with extracting the coconut milk, and that's what you would use to soak your Bammy in. But guys, I wish I could give you all some. So good. So guys, at this point, the oil, I know it's heated because I can smell it. So I'm gonna use my spatula and I'm gonna be putting down into the oil the Bammy. All right, guys. So you see that, guys, you want to do this in, you know, deep frying, you know, so you can give your Bammy a nice soak in the oil, just like that. Slowly putting it down, guys. I'm gonna turn the heat down a little bit, down to medium, as I add it on high, you know, to get the oil heated. So guys, in the meantime, you know, this is being cooked. I'm gonna go ahead and prepare another plate with, you know, lined with, you know, paper towel to receive the ones that are finished frying. Okay, so guys, here is, you know, my receiving container. I lined it with paper towel, and yes, I'm gonna be having this aside waiting until my Bammy is finished. So now I'm gonna remove this Bammy, which is already done. So this, guys, is already done. You see that, guys? It's very nice, tasty, and it's super delicious. So guys, the first sets of Bammies are already done frying and are draining on the separate plate in which I had prepared with fresh paper towel to receive the excess oil. So I'm going to go ahead off camera and finish up the rest of the frying just to save us all time. All you need, guys, just to follow the process. It is very easy. So guys, see you all at presentation. And guys, here we have our Bammies fried up with some delicious escovitch snapper fish. Guys, this is how we love our Bammies. Oh my goodness, guys, I wish I could share, but I want you all to go ahead and try making this bammy if you haven't yet done so. Guys, when you're having bammy and fried fish, you have to have some festivals on the side. So these are basically what I'm gonna call donut festivals. I'm just being creative. Guys, I know I have your mouth watering, but please guys, if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Remember to share it, and please subscribe if you have not done so yet. And remember to click that notification bell so that you can get notified of my next upcoming video. Until then guys, thank you all so much for your wonderful support, and please look out for me in the next one. Have a wonderful, blessed day.